Welcome everyone to a all new vlog of Wondrous Bojit. This will be a quick unboxing video of DJI Mini 5 Pro. So I bought this DJI Mini 5 Pro from Singapore and it costed us around 1256 Singapore dollars.
One kidney and a leg.
Which is like 90k INR. So we are unboxing at Philippines with this awesome view.
मोटरसाइकिल रेंट is 10 minutes away. खेदी है due to rest ना अभी rest मोटरसाइकिल तक है. फिर आप देखते चलो चार्ज.
So I've already just unboxed it at the airport just to see all the components were present or not. Just to update, this is a flight mode combo. So this is the bag that you get. This is the RC2. Pretty sleek. Let's keep this aside. This is the main drone. We will unbox it later. Since we have purchased the fly mode combo, so these are the additional batteries with it. I believe one of them is inside the drone. We will check. Let's keep this aside. Let's see what we have got. Here's another box. Let's open this. These are some extra set of chocolates. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And type C to type C cable. What else? I believe these are the ND filters. So let's open it. Alright. Yep. ND8, ND32, ND128. And what more? Basic documentation and stuff. Not required. And I guess nothing else. No, just an empty box. Okay. Now keeping all this aside, let's just unbox the drone. Ta-da! This is the new keys that they have provided, new strap. It comes out like this. Let's remove this as well. Okay, what else? There's some additional protectors. Okay. This is the drone. There are some lighter sensors as well as other sensors to avoid detect basically some obstructions which you can avoid. So there are 1, 2, 3 and 4 sensors, and I guess these two are the lighter sensors if I am not wrong. Oh, there are 2 more as well. And this is the third battery that I was talking about. Just plug it over here. We will just charge it. Okay, so this was a quick unboxing video of DJI Mini 5 Pro.
Alright, that's it.
So here are some quick shots from the drone.